got today is we're kind of backed up here, but what I want to do here is I ordered a back air cleaner for this, and it doesn't fit because of the gooseneck on my water, so I got to change that so I can get that on there. So I'm going to have Hunter do it. We're going to drain the fluid, we're going to do it the right way. We're going to catch the fluid, reuse it, or put it back. You don't ever dump antifreeze. It's just good for the environment at all. There's places to get rid of it, and that's what you want to do. Don't ever dump it. You can see that the shop's kind of full. We started here. What we're going to be doing today is right down here. See this down here? See where my finger's touching right here? That's called the petcock. That's on the radiator. It's going to drain the fluid. We're going to drain the fluid that way. Take the air cleaner off. This is what we have to change. And this will bend forward so that that'll fit. Let's go ahead and start taking this apart. Drain the fluid first, then we'll take this apart. I've got a new thermostat to put in there, and so we'll get you going. We'll set it aside over here.
See that down there?
I got it loose.
As you can see, I am Brain Master Man. Just grabbed the first one. I thought it sucked, and I'm right. What can I say?
This one right here. The bottom one. Let's see that one. Leave the top one alone. That's all we need right there. What size is that?
9/16.
Yeah, that's a fucking 9/16. Okay, you can take it off now.
She did all by myself. No help by Gary at all. Well,
You can stuff a rag down in there,
Oh, okay, I see what you're saying.
and that'll hold some of it out. But the problem is you got to wash the wire brush because it'll grab it and rip it right out of there. Razor blade is getting it off. It keeps the temperature of the engine at a certain temperature rating. Like that might be a 180 thermostat, and it would keep the temperature at the engine at 180. You run too cool, and if you had one that stuck closed, it's going to overheat. So it has to be working. I think it's going to seal right around the outside here. It's bigger than that. Yeah, I think it'll work. It's dirty down in there too, you know. Rust. Now we got a problem. We got the liquid down there, so we have a hydro lock. It won't go in because of the fluid. Compressed air would be the ultimate right now.
What I got?
This silicone grease is good for rubber. It lubricates it and it protects it.
From like dry rotting?
It helps it, yes. Okay. Thermostat, is it in there? Put that down in the hole. Yeah, perfect. We'll set this on top of there. There's 2 bolts.
But like as tight as possible? Or what?
You ain't gonna hold tight enough. Pretty good, kid. Now we gotta put that hose back on there. Hold up, Dave. Hold up. I like to turn that a little bit. Dickhead. No, I'm slow, Make it easier. Put a little goop on there. It'll slide on. Okay. Go ahead, kid, get it done.
I should only loosen the bottom one.
Okay, that was probably good. Maybe loosen the hose clamp up a little bit, Dave. Yeah. Bottom one loosen a little bit. Check center. Get on far enough.
How tight?
Pretty tight. Where's that hose go?
Pick up the top.
This hose, where's it go, Dave? Yeah, it goes over there. There we go.
Oh, that's good. Oh, you have to take it the other way. You have to go the other way. Hold the top of it.
That's the way it was on there, Dave.
Yeah, it was, it's gonna be too tight.
Yeah.
No, you already did it. Jesus.
Ha!
Probably.
It works.
Look at that.
Yeah, it works.
I like how they give you the whole thread in case you don't have it.
I like it. It's pretty. Now we just got to put some fluid back in it.
We're filming him wrenching.
Oh yeah, that's right. To push it to
Now you can start it up.
We got all the fluid back in there, all but a little bit, and we're just gonna top it off with a little bit of extra here. But it's full. No leaks. Looks good. Hunter, you did a good job, boy. About time. You're catching on. I like it. We'll smack him around a little more and get him better.
Good job, Hunter.
Thank you.
We got Sleepy here up. We got him go to work and do something today. And we got this done. He did it pretty much on his own with a little bit of direction. And he did a good job. It worked out. So see, kids, you can all do it. Find somebody to be friends with. It's interesting.
So, Hunter, what did we do today?
Do you remember what we did?
What did we do?
That.
Want some more sugar?
That right there.
Okay, Dave wants a little bling on his engine, so he buys this new air filter that wouldn't fit with the old gooseneck. So we had to change the gooseneck for the radiator, top radiator hose, in order to make the air filter fit. So now Dave has bling, and it makes him feel good.
I feel
Ask him, he'll tell you.
Feel me. I feel good, don't I?
You
Feel that,
good.
feel that. I feel good. Oh, I feel good.
Until next time,
See ya.
see you.